hardcore street boys is not easy, but it's all worth it. It is so amazing to see how God works. It is so amazing how God provides. And I remember one time when we didn't have food to eat the next meal, and the boys and the staff gathered and prayed. And right after the prayer, a few minutes after the prayer, a car for a garage with bags of rice, toiletries, and food that will last us for several weeks. I just love God's stories, and I just and I just can't wait to start tonight when they get back to the Philippines. And I just, oh my goodness, I'm just so nervous. It's just like super cool. It's just like super cool to see how God really works in our lives. And tonight will be forever being engraved in my heart. And I really can't wait to share this with our staff and our boys. And I just really want to thank you, Award, for this wonderful night, for thinking about us. I accept this award with humility and a heart that is super encouraged. I appreciate it, and it is so amazing to see wonderful unsung heroes here tonight and you with all wonderful people. And ultimately, I just want to give all the glory, honor, and praises to our God who enables us. Amen.